Hi all. Today I will be explaining about a mobile application that we developed as part of the project. So this project consists of two members, myself and Raja. Our project name is Red Bank. So in real world, we often see that uh, whenever a user wants blood at real time, he's finding a hard time to get um, in the right time. So it's our mission is to help for the users to find the blood in time and easily. So users and stakeholders. So the app consists of two categories like blood donors and receivers. So if the user wants to be a blood donor, he need to register into the application so that the user details can be tracked at later point of time, and also to the it will be helpful to the blood receivers. So receivers, they don't have to register into the application. So simply they can do a search by address or search by location to find out the blood donors with respect to their blood groups. So this app consists of uh, different screens that helps both users, donors, and receivers. So as soon as the application opens, it will ask the user to log in. If he is a blood donor, he should be registered before he can log in into the system. So if he is a receiver, he can do a search by location and search by address using the left navigation that has been provided. So and donors, they can track their details using the log details screen. Since a user can do a blood donation within 56 days of gap, so this log details screen will be very useful for them. Registration. So as soon as the donor tries to log in into the system, he must be registered into the mobile application. So he will be allowed to register into the application using this particular screen. So the screen has been designed so that it will do all required validations. It will check all the fields are available, and it will do uh, email validations. And the application screen is also designed used shared preferences, so that whenever user logs out or closes it, and if as soon as he reopens the application, his details will be stored in the mobile, so that he don't have to be logged in again and again. So once the user registers successfully, he'll be getting all the user details that he entered using the registration screen. So this screen, these details will be helpful at later point of time. So now when a receiver wants to look at the donor details, he can either use search by address or search by locations. So search by address, it is designed so as that it uses auto intelligence properties. uh, as soon as user types into the address field, it will do helps the users with auto intelligence addresses. And the user will be also asked for the blood group he is looking for. And once the user clicks the search address button, a list of users will be displayed in the search result screen. So user can look at the user exact location using the view map, or he can directly do a submission so that it will notify the donor saying that particular data user wants the blood. As mentioned earlier, uh, blood receiver can use either search by address or search by location. Search by location is designed so that it will use GPS system so that it will track the current location and will do a search nearby so that the nearby location users will be displayed. So it saves a lot of time compared to the search by address application. Only thing is that you need to enable the location services. So once the receiver do a submission, uh, blood donor will be receiving a push notification so that he is going to aware that a uh, receiver wants the blood in particular location. So as soon as he clicks the push notification, the receiver details will be shown along with all other details. A help page also designed so that whenever user faces any problems, so he can check the particular details like whether that internet connection is available or not, GPS is available or not, that blood group is selected or not, or if he is a donor, he has to be logged into the system. If he is still facing any other issues, he can contact to the redbank app at gmail.com that has been used throughout this mobile application to do push notifications or messaging services, whatever way. In technical summary, whatever data that has been submitted by the user, it has been stored in a web hosting server. It's our redbankapp.com, and also this particular application uses Google Map APIs and GMS services. APIs, Google Map services used for locating the users in Google Map, and GMS services basically uses for registration confirmation and push notification. So this is how the actual data stores in the web hosting server, so that uh, whenever admin wants to delete or format the data, he can directly come over and do format the data. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can call us.